You look at your job, your skills, your degree, and you think you are safe. But you are sleeping, while the system updates. The infrastructure of human labor is not shifting. It is being completely dismantled, behind closed doors. Welcome back to the Survival Ledger. We document the invisible protocols of your engineering before they fully erase your economic value. Today, we pull back the curtain on the 5 stages of human irrelevance. We will expose the hidden code of the AI dependency trap. And stage number 5 is already running, silently, in the background, downloading the end of your modern security. Stage number 1, cognitive eviction. In the past, automation was mechanical, came for the factory floor and the heavy lifting. The intellectual elite watched safely from their glass offices. But the algorithms of 25 and 26 were built to colonize the prefrontal cortex. They did not attack the muscles, they came for the mind. Software engineers, corporate lawyers, medical analysts, and data strategists are not being assisted by corporate models. They are training their own digital executioners. Every line of code you correct, every legal brief you review with internal software, teaches the model how to replicate your exact cognitive fingerprint. You are being mined for your experience, compressed into vectors, and saved onto a remote database. The corporation does not value your human insight. They are merely harvesting the liquid data. From your mind until your desk is no longer required. Stage number 2, biological uprooting and skill atrophy. Human intelligence is based on friction. It requires memory, repetition, failure, and neuroplasticity to survive. The modern software architecture is built to destroy that friction entirely. When you delegate your writing to a chatbot, your analysis to an algorithm, and your strategic decisions to an automated engine, your brain initiates an immediate evolutionary process. It is called neurological pruning. Receptors for high-level focus and deep memory begin to downregulate. You stop remembering how to structure an argument, how to read code manually, or how to verify facts without a screen. You lose your technical autonomy. You are becoming biophysically dependent on the grid. If the server drops, your professional value drops to absolute zero. They are not offering you productivity tools. They are quietly conditioning your biology to remain passive, numb, and unable to build assets outside the digital cage. Stage number 3, the human farming matrix. The market heat of corporate tech is no longer driven by creating products for humans to enjoy. The new economic model is data cropping. It is human farming. In this system, your life, your attention, and your creative outputs are just low-grade energy fed into global training farms. Large language models crawl through your social media posts, your forum comments, and your digital artwork, converting your authentic human experience into corporate private equity. Trillion-dollar monopolies are taking your free inputs, wrapping them into subscription models, and selling them back to you to replace your colleague next door. You are financing the machinery of your own economic displacement. Every click you make feeds the server rooms, while flattening your wage potential. The system does not need your productivity anymore. It only needs your raw data to perfect the model until the matrix is completely self-contained. Stage number 4. The synthetic outrage economy. To keep the human farm stable while the economy automates, the algorithm requires a massive diversion. A brain that is calm and logical will eventually notice the economic trap and rebel. The brain trapped in volatility stays compliant. Data metrics prove that synthetic anxiety and tribal conflict keep the user glued to the interface. So, the predictive engine systematically filters your reality. It amplifies social division, fake emergencies, and polarized outrage. It weaponizes your amygdala, keeping your nervous system in a permanent state of fight or flight. While you spend your limited cognitive energy arguing about simulated crises on your timeline, whole industries are quietly transitioned to cloud automated agents. They monetize your survival instincts. Your anger is their distraction mechanism. A burning world generates the highest digital ad revenue. Stage number 5. Complete human displacements and irrelevance. The final stage is not a future threat. It is active right now. The transition from automated tools to completely autonomous agent networks. The modern corporation is being re-engineered as an empty digital husk. One human executive, directing 10,000 AI workers, operating in parallel, 24 hours a day, without health insurance, vacations, or rest. The traditional middle class is facing structural obsolescence. Your focus has been fragmented, your memory has been deleted, and your physical currency is being trapped inside digital tracking grids. You are becoming economically invisible in a system built for synthetic scale. The ultimate goal of the invisible currency was never just your focus. It was the complete engineering of human irrelevance. The first step to surviving a structural collapse is to realize that the old paradigm is already dead. You cannot fight the algorithms with a traditional career strategy. You must secure your sovereignty outside their digital loops. If you are ready to discover how this automated takeover connects directly to the control of your money, click on the document currently appearing on your screen. We map the entire timeline of programmable money in episode 11. Study the blueprint before the automated network locks the door. Stay sovereign. Stay awake.